Uh-oh.
Yay, I did it. Alright, hey guys, Forever Cat here. Oh gosh. And today, I am playing some MX versus ATV Untamed. Sorry if you hear that noise in the background. That's me. Sorry. So today we are playing with Shelled Mars, a friend of mine. And I tried to make it like kind of not very loud so you can hear him. Alright, so let's get started. Today we are playing some free drive, and we're going to I'm actually going to go to the train rail and try to like show you guys what happens when you try to stop the train here. So if you guys do like these kind of games, it's called MX vs ATV. I'm not sure if it's selling in stores, but it might be. Alright, so let's find this train. Okay, where is the train? Ow! What happened? Charles! Where did you go? Ah! Whee! Oh! This is fun. Whee! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh!
Oh god,
Ooh.
that's not.
That hurt. Ow. No, 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 no. Oh. So guys, if you're wondering what just happened there, all you have to do is just go through this tunnel, and then you just like fly all the way back. Whee!
Oh god.
This does happen in other maps. Like, but I'm not sure if it's a tunnel. It could be like reaching the world end limits. So yeah. Alright, let's really find this train. We're on an adventure to find a train. Once we hit it, it will knock out our brains. Yeah, handle it. Wait, what vehicle are you using? Oh, the MX. Oh God! Okay, this time I'm gonna dodge that. Okay.
I hit a tree.
Oh my goodness! I see the trap! Oh. Take down the train! Take down the train! Ah! Wee! Oh! Stop, train! Stop, train! Ow! That was mean. No! No! You are not permitted to leave this area! Ow! 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 Alright, so I guess I'm just gonna have to follow it from behind. Oh, I know how to get up on the train. Just gotta like ride up. Bam. I'm on the train! That train is not getting away. I'm hitting it head on. Ow! I have an idea. I can stop it with a monster truck.
Oh no!
Perfect.
Oh, that was awesome.
Hey, you're getting chased by an eagle. We're up a minute to stop. Alright, I'm gonna check the point.
Okay. I'm trying to stop you.
This has to be. Alright.
No.
No.
Wait for the train.
How close is it?
There's a monster truck.
Hi.
It's pretty close.
Oh, I see it. This has
I
to
got
work.
it. Oh, come on. I didn't even make it.
No. Oh. What happened? It just teleported me. I died.
Oh, come on. No, I will stop the train before it goes.
To the ATV lair. Let's go. We have to get. Alright. So, usually a train. America. Awesome. America. Whee! Oh God.
Uh-oh.
Alright, we're gonna have to take this thing down. All motorized soldiers, please report to the train. This thing.
Uh-oh.
Wait, it's already coming?
I think so.
I see something. Oh gosh. Ooh, that was an emotion. Alright. I hear something. Whatever it is I'm hitting it head on.
I'm on the train bridge. Oh, there's a train.
What?
Oh, shoot! Woo!
Oh God. Oh God. He like dove right onto it, and now I'm gliding on the train. Wee. Oh gosh. Oh, you should have seen me. That was nasty.
Oh, that's a train.
Oh, jeez.
I'm gonna land on
Oh
it.
God. Wow.
Boom! Landed on it. Oh, no, I didn't.
Yo, my guy dove right through the train. Oh gosh, that's a train! Whee! Oh guys, I did not land on the bridge!
Oh, still on it. Oh, find it out.
What?
I tried to grind it out.
I'm hitting you head on, train.
Oh, no! I messed up! Oh, no! I screwed up again!
Try hitting the train. Try hitting the train head on. It's like whee.
I tried to, but you know,
Oh, pencil guy. Oh, that hurt.
Oh God, killed it.
Whee. I wonder if this stuff could actually happen in real life. Like, if you hit a train like that, you probably get like murdered by the train.
What the
to stop it?
Devin, stop. Devin, I'm floating.
Ow! Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. No, that's not fair. Let me float. I want to float. Oh, jeez. Yay. No! Yo, dude, watch this. Whee! I got launched up to the sky and I landed on my head.
Devin, look, I'm floating.
I know, we're gonna lose the battle. Take it on.
It's not working. Doing a wheelie. Uh-oh. No, I lost it again.
No! Ah!
Okay, no. I spawned in it.
Oh!
I spawned in it again. Got it.
Road Riders! Ow! Oh god,
Got it.
no! Do not let that train escape! Get it! Get it! Quickly! We can still get it!
I'll go kiss it on the other side, I'll be back. Well, doing trick.
Yeah! I'm doing the screw. Oh, no! No feet! No feet! No feet! Oh! Oh gosh! Oh no!
I have to fall.
We're going on a trip on our favorite rocket ship, swimming through the
No, it's
sky.
not our favorite motorcycle. It's our favorite motorcycle.
And our favorite motorcycle. Oh, gosh, perfect. On our favorite,
Correct.
on our favorite MX vehicle, going through the sky. Little untamers. I can't rhyme, so please pay me a dime, cause I'm doing this. Oh gosh, flying way too high. Oh.
Devin, I'm getting ready to fly from the train. I found the train.
I heard it. Oh
Gonna hit
jeez.
on.
Oh jeez.
Oh!
Oh god.
I'm about to be trapped on the train now.
I was born on the train, and well, yeah.
Oh no!
Come on! Whee! Oh, look at the flares!
Head first. Oh.
Alright guys, I'm going to try to edit this video up so I can show you guys some clips of what happened in slow motion and stuff. Yay! Oh no! We're going on our favorite rocket ship to the sky. Little bikers, come aboard. There's so much to explore. There's so much to find. Oh.
Devin,
Yeah.
kill me. I saw you. Oh, shoot!
Oh, I saw that. Ow.
I'm missing the train card. Ouch, my head. Devin, I'm in a train card. Ow.
I'll save you. Oh. Wow! Oh god, oh god. Oh, yo, I just yeeted across the thing. Ow! No, no, no. Ah!
What about a buggy will stop it? Off-road buggy will stop it. Here I come, Devin. An off-road buggy.
Alright, I'm saying MX. Oh god.
Train! Oh, shoot! Whoa!
Oh my god.
You have to try that.
I saw it.
It's an off-road buggy. How do you brake in this game?
It's LT. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh gosh. Is there a way I can actually stay on the train? Gosh.